Do you want to discover the secret behind one of the most popular alternative medicines today? Let's uncover the science behind chiropractic. At the core of the practice is the understanding that spinal misalignments can lead to pain and other health problems, so chiropractors work to realign the spine for optimal functionality. By applying gentle force to specific areas of the spine, this causes the release of gas bubbles within joint fluids, creating cavitation sounds and improving communication between your brain and body. Study after study shows that chiropractic care does wonders in reducing neck pain, headaches, and back issues like sciatica, all without invasive surgeries or medication. So why suffer through those nagging pains? Try chiropractic adjustment today and unlock the power of optimal health and functionality.